Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello
support.
friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this overall designing on the blouse using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. I'd be applying the glue to stick green color kundan of very small size, and now I'd be highlighting with gold Zardosi string which is of very small size. For that stitching, here I'd be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. Here I had already cut in 1 inch in length, and that I have inserted in the needle and giving couple of stitches so that it will be in place and defining the shape. You can try this beautiful design on plain sarees like random booties or overall designing for any types of garments designing. Now I had given the line markings of 4 sides here, and on that lines I would be giving the stitch with the joining of the Zardosi string, which I said 1 inch in length. This way we have to give the stitch, and at this tip we have to press it gently and give couple of stitches on it, holding it firmly like this. At this tip we have to get the loop like design here, and on that loop we would be inserting a pearl in the center, and pearl is completely optional. You can either go with the rhinestones or color beads, golden beads, whatnot. You can try any types of beads joining here. On these 4 lines I would be giving the stitch like this with the joining of Zardosi and the pearl. And the materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. If you want, you can check it. Now I'd be giving the stitch with the joining in the centers of these 4 sides, and here I'd be joining 2 lines like this, and this I cut in 3/4 inch length of the Zardosi string. That means before that I took off 1 inch, and now we have to go with 3/4 inch, which is quarter part less than in 1 inch Zardosi string. And in the same way we have to join the pearls at these loops. These are customized designer patterns which we can try on our old blouses to turn into new designer blouses, dupattas designing, or garments necklines like that. These are simple looking booties or the flower motifs, but really gives an elegant look. We can try this for garment designing or blouse, or even on the sarees designing, because these are creative patterns which will reflect your identity following the fashion trends. And the final lookout would look like this. The centers we have to locate it, and the overall designing has to be done in this way. Final lookout of the blouse would look like this. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Men's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.